Okay guys, if you're from Nigeria, Africa or any part of the world, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you on how you can develop mobile application, Android application with this your smartphone. You don't need a laptop to do this. It seems I'm talking too much. I'm just going to take you to my Admob account and you are going to see the money I made on Google Admob alone.
So you can see today so far I've made $9, right? And this month so far I have $88.50 live in my Google Admob account. And last month you can see the money I made $30.53. And this is something you too can do. You too can also get this kind of results.
What you saw on my screen was a live proof of the money I made on Google Admob recently. And apart from Google Admob, I've been getting lots of orders from Fiverr and Upwork, right? And apart from this freelance platform, lots of people have been contacting me for me to develop applications for them, and I've been taking advantage of this opportunity. And the amazing thing, guys, is that it's just your smartphone, your phone, the one you're using to watch me right now. You need a loan to develop this kind of application. Also, you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to write any line of code. In fact, you don't need to have any idea in computer. Like as for me, I scored F9 in my last computer examination, and this is me making mobile applications. And me, I've been able to boast of myself, right? Developing apps for people and making cool money for myself. And you too can also take advantage of this opportunity right now and make money for yourself, because this season you really have to make money online. You know the situation of the country, you know the situation of the world, and you know how everything is. So you really want to make sure that you make money online. Have a side income that you are doing that can be fetching you money. Don't just be that person that always sit there watching videos and never make money online. So make sure you partake in this right now so that you too can also make money for yourself. And also, how I was able to learn everything about this I just showed you was that I purchased a very expensive course, and that course taught me so much on how you can develop your mobile application, how you can even transform a website to an app, how you can develop some simple games. Everything, guys, everything is in that course. That course is really amazing. How you can even make use of some pro tools to develop your application, because in the course I was also granted access to a particular software, right, that actually costs a lot of money, but for me I just downloaded it and I didn't have to pay anything. So that course really taught me so much on everything I needed to know. And so the link to this course is going to be the first link at the description box, so you can just click on that link, check more about the course, check more details, and everything I'm not able to see right now, it's gonna be there. You're gonna see more about the course. And also, guys, another advantage of this course is that the course is downloadable. It's going to be on Google Drive, so you can watch it there, you can download it. So once you download it, it's going to be on your device, it's going to be on your phone, it's going to be on your tab, on your laptop. You can even share it out with your friends. You're also going to see testimonials from people that also purchased the course. You're going to see people like you and I that are also in there making money for ourselves. And also, the course is going to be 1,000 Naira, just 1,000 Naira till the next 48 hours. And after that, it's going to go over to 5,000 Naira, 10,000 Naira until it gets to the real price I actually bought the course. But right now, it's just a bonus of 1,000 Naira. So it's your choice to take advantage of it right now or wait till when it's 5,000 Naira. I don't know, but it's just 1,000 Naira till the next 48 hours. And also, once you purchase the course, we are going to be together in a group. There's going to be a group that you're going to join, and we're going to be together in that group, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys some strategies that I normally use in order to make money apart from Google Admob alone. And we're also going to be developing our own portfolio site so that people can meet us. People are going to see what we do, right? People are also going to see our works, what we do. So everything is going to be in that portfolio site. Don't worry, just make sure you purchase the course first, and then the rest is going to be taken care of once you watch and once you take the course. Once you're done taking the course has different sections. So in those different sections, you're going to be developing some kind of apps, right? So the first step is to purchase the course. And once you purchase the course, right, once you can purchase the course, we're going to be together. I'm going to show you how we can make money from that. And is there anything I'm not saying again? As I said, the course is just 1,000 Naira till the next 48 hours, right? So take advantage of it right now. So that's the end of this video. I've come to the end of this video. Do make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, share this video with your friends, with anyone you knows would love to develop mobile applications, so that everyone is going to be fulfilled, everyone is going to be happy, you're gonna be happy, I'm gonna be happy, and we can make a better world, right? Bye.